My friend Dave runs a machine shop up the road from me, and he keeps his business cards on a giant piston, and I wanted to help him out by making a fancy business card holder for him, so stay tuned. So I got the base, and this is just a piece of 18 gauge that was scrapped. I'm going to go ahead and pinch this guy so it's a little more flat. What the hell, I did play this precise, but it's something. This is going to the people who work on cars. I'm going to have it be a Denso plug and an AC Delco plug. So it's like, you know, they're buddies, right? But they're not, you know, buddies from other mothers or whatever. I don't know, whatever you want to, whatever value you want to add to this, it's all up to you. I'm going to go ahead and trim these legs a little shorter though. Alright, well, that's one down. Changed my mind and decided I'm just going to use a really long spark plug, and that can be David, because he's way taller than Dave. And, it'll be funny, I'm sure they'll get it. Oh man, I just realized I need to make bear. These mugs are my favorite part. And the fact that I made David taller. I like it. Hopefully Dave likes it. Let's see.
You notice anything?
Dave, where are you?
You notice anything? What?
Can't believe you walked right by it. I didn't have an FE spark plug, but I went with the closest one I could find for you.
What is it?
It's supposed to be you and David.
Thanks, that's
I didn't have any lawnmower spark plugs.
Thanks, man.